Hi there, welcome. How to solve this inequality? So let's discover the content of our lesson. So here we have the question. Solve this inequality. First one, x squared more than 3. Second one, x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. The third one, x squared minus x minus 6 more than 0. The last one is to x squared plus 5x minus 3 less than equal 0. So here I give you the easy way to solve this inequality. So first one, I can draw this here. This is the x-axis. Here we have y-axis. Okay, so x squared like that. Okay, so the one draw the function fx equal x squared. It is easy here. So second step, also I draw the y equal x. So here the y equal x, y equal 3. So the 2 point we have here, 2 point, this the first point, this the second one. The first point, I know that here is minus root square of 3, minus root square of 3, and the second one is root square of 3, because here we have x squared more than 3. So this 2 point. Our job is to find the solution where x, when you assume that x here or here or here, where exactly the region or the interval that x squared more than 3. So here in this step or in this point we have this part of x squared, it is in this position. So here this part. So here what I need to know, from minus infinity to minus root square of 3, this part, when we put the x from here in this equality, it will be more than 3. For example, let's take minus 4 here. Minus 4. We have minus 4 square equal 16. 16 is more than 3. The second part here, for example, here we can take the number 5. 5 square equal 25. 25 is more than 3. Exactly. So I can sum up that the solution of this equation is minus infinity minus root square of 3 on that. Also this second part is root square of 3 plus infinity. This plus infinity. This is the first method to give the solution. Or another method, we have here the line real number. Okay, we put here minus root square of 3, here root square of 3. I can take this point. We have minus root square of 3 belong to part of solution, so I can draw this one in the left side, also in this part here in the left side. So this is the solution. Let's move for the second one. The second one here, we have x squared minus 3x minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so I think that here we have not minus 2 here, not minus 3, minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So first step, I can factor this f. So if we have fx, x squared minus 2x minus 3, so it will be, when I factor this expression, x plus 1, okay, x minus 3. When multiply it is minus 3. When we add here, minus 2. So we have here. So here fx, the intercept with the x axis, fx equals 0. So the x, it will be minus 1 or x equal 3. This 2 point. So when you draw here, we have the x-axis, here minus 1, and here is 3. So this like that. Okay? So this the form of our graph of f. So here in this inequality, x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So we take this part here from this point to this point. So the solution is minus 1, not belong minus 1 to the part, and 3. This is the first method to put the solution, or another method with the line. I put minus 1 here and 3. So the part in under the x-axis is this part. So here, I mean that minus 1 not belong to the solution. Also, minus 3 also not belong to solution. So this part is the solution of our inequality. So let's move for the third one here. We have more than 0, fx equal, first one, I factor the fx, so x minus x minus 6. Here we have, when you factor this inequality, it will be x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay? When you add minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, minus 3 times 2 equal minus 6. So it is exactly. So the point when the intercept x-axis, fx equal 0. So we have here 2 points, x equal 3 and x equal minus 2. Okay? This 2 point. I need only this 2 point. So when you draw here the graph of f, it is here minus 2 and this 3. So like that, the graph of f like this point. Here minus 6, and intercept y-axis minus 6 here. So not the vertex, but the intercept with y-axis. So the part of fx more than 0 in this part. Okay, this part from this point to here, from this point to plus infinity. So the solution of our inequality is minus infinity minus 2, and second part is 3 plus infinity. Why it is close here? Because we have the equal. Okay, also here we have equal here. Minus 2, it is belong to solution. So this is the first method. The second method here to put the solution, when you have the inequality, minus 2 here, 3, I can draw this point. I mean that 2 belong to our solution. Like this one, 3 also, it is belong to our solution in this right side and the left side. Here minus infinity, here plus infinity. So let's move for the last example. Here 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, I can factor this. I assume that fx equal 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So it is easy to factor this expression, quadratic form. Okay, here we have 2x minus 1x plus 3. We can check this alone, this method or this form of factoring this in equation or fx or quadratic expression. So here we have the intercept, x-intercept axis equal 0. That means 2x minus 1 equal 0 or x plus 3 equal 0. So the two solution, x from here 1 out 2 and x equal minus 3. Okay, so here we can draw here 1.5 and minus 3, here minus 3. So we can like that. Okay, why it is كذا? Because we have here positive. Okay, the cube, it is the sense so this part minus 3 here. So and from minus 3 to 1 and 2. So this part under the x-axis. Okay, y-axis also here. So solution, the solution is equal minus 3 and half. Or second method to put the solution is like that. When you put the line number, here we have minus 3, 1.5 here. So this from this part it is like that and like that. So here, guys, I give you the easy way from the graph, and you use the graph to find the solution of this kind of inequality. So the next section, I give you how can I the absolute value, when you have the absolute value like that, x squared minus 3x plus, for example, 2, okay, plus 2, here it is more than 0. Okay, how can find the solution of that? Okay, so guys, thank you so much to joining me in this lesson. Keep learning, keep exploring. See you in the next section. Thank you so much.